How did you meet your new friends? Where did you meet them?
I actually was not there on my orientation date. I was late because I got my visa late. So the first day I met my friends was face to face. I met them in the second week when I went to the university. Before that, my university have a WhatsApp group. So whosoever is a part of that particular subject, and in that particular session they are they make a WhatsApp group and they add everybody in same so that people can chill around, talk to each other in case they want a room together or maybe a place to stay. So that's what that was the first thing. As soon as I got my admission in the college, that was the first time when I met all my friends who were supposed to be in my class. So that's the first thing that I had. As I said, I was late at my university, so I did not attend my orientation. But it is very important if you have an option to do that. I would suggest everyone to attend the orientation day because that's when you meet a lot of people. There are many people who don't even, meet friends, and most of the time when you don't meet a person on the orientation date, you somewhere lag behind, and you don't make friends that easily. So that was the first thing that I missed. That is something which I would suggest everyone to do.
And what about networking? Did it help you in networking? What can you mention your do's and don'ts?
So networking, if I talk about, yes, it is very important when you go at the university and meet friends, because that's when you get to know a lot of things about the city. As I was late, I had no idea what route to take, what transportation to take, where to stay. But once I went to the college, there were a lot of people who helped me out in a lot of information. There are students who get early jobs, part-time jobs, so it can also help you to get a part-time job once you gel around those people. um, Interaction is very important, and the face-to-face interaction you do is in the first few weeks, because after that you get involved in all your assignments, your examination. So first 2 or 3 weeks are very important to gel around, so that's when you can make good friends. These are some of the do's that I would suggest. The don'ts that are there, so as I said, I missed my orientation because my visa came late, but there are people who get their visas on time. So this is my personal suggestion. You can go to the you can go to the university as soon as it is possible, so that you get to know a lot of teachers, a lot of people over there. You make yourself comfortable with the environment, and that's very important.
Are there any ambassadors clubs to help you get familiar with the area?
So the university, they do have some clubs, but that is based upon your preferences. They have sports club, they have acting clubs and all. It depends if you want to be a part of that or not. I am not a part of any of the group as of now, but the subject I am in, people have made a group of that. So we have a group called Masters of Management, in which we also have a separate WhatsApp group. We keep on chatting of what are the problems people facing. That one of the most common problem is having a part-time job over here. So people get to know each other, they talk to each other, they help each other to get a part-time job maybe. So this is all what we've gone through.